Hello everybody, I am Zoya and this video is presented by Law Minds. Today we will discuss one of the most fascinating and interesting topic, legal rights of a woman after divorce, about which every woman should know about their all rights of a woman, which is available for women only. But firstly, we need to understand the legal rights. So legal rights are those rights which is protected by law. Legal rights, because it is recognized and protected by law, these rights are enforced by state, and legal right exists under the rule of legal system. By being a citizen of country, the people are given certain legal rights. It is the duty of every individual to protect the right of each individual. And legal right is different from human rights in the sense that all human rights are not enforceable by law. And if someone violates the other person human rights, so they can't court go for all rights. But if someone violates the other person legal right, it is punishable by law. It is the court which punish the person to whom the law is he has violated the other person rights. Now we will explore the legal rights of a woman. So woman is the pillar of our society. Somehow the society is based on women. And women play a very important role in the development of society and upliftment of society. In earlier time, there were so many laws which discriminate against women. So certain law is made for the upliftment of women. So she is said to be equal to that man. And these rights are right to domestic violence, right to live with dignity, right to maternity leave, right to work, and so many other rights which are available for women only. So we need to understand the meaning of divorce before understanding the legal rights of a woman of a divorce. So we need to understand what is divorce and what is the meaning of divorce. So when any marriage is dissolved, is called divorce. It is an act of repudiation of marriage. After divorce, parties become entitled to perform second marriage and cohabitation between them become unlawful. So divorce means a separation of a marriage. In divorce, a petitioner may be a husband or a wife, but in our society, certain laws and certain grounds are available for women only on which she can claim divorce. And like Hindu Marriage Act, section 13(2) of Hindu Marriage Act provide additional ground for divorce of wife only. Like if husband is guilty of bigamy and polygamy, and husband is guilty of rape and hostility, so a wife can claim divorce, and non-resumption of cohabitation for 1 year, and repudiation of marriage, like any other grounds which are available for women only on which she can claim divorce. Likewise, section 2 of Muslim Marriage Dissolution Act provides 9 grounds under which a Muslim wife can obtain a decree of divorce, and the grounds are like absence of husband, if the husband is absence of 4 years and he is unable to failure to maintain of his wife, his imprisonment of husband, and failure he is unable to perform marital obligation, impotency of husband, likewise leprosy, and many other grounds which are available for women only on which she can claim divorce, which is not available for husband. Now we will turn on over our main topic, the rights of women after divorce. There are certain rights which are available for women after divorce. Like number 1 is right to maintenance. Maintenance is the amount payable by husband to wife on the dissolution of marriage. If she is unable to support herself, she can claim financial support from her husband. The right of maintenance of wife is available till she performs second marriage and her death, but a wife claim only 25% of monthly income of her husband. The second right which is available for women is right to child custody. When any divorce is done, the child get affected more. So generally the custody is given to that person who can work for welfare of child and take care of child, his body, his property, and any other asset. But if we talk about the welfare of child, so mother is the first mother has first right over child, because no one can replace the mother. No one is there who can work for the welfare of child other than mother. Right to residence is also one of the important right of a woman after divorce. A divorced wife can claim residence if she shared in household during the continuance of marriage. The Stridhan is that amount which is given to bride at the time of marriage. It can be like jewelry, property and any other assets. It is differ from dowry because it is voluntarily given to wife. So at the time of marriage, a woman can claim all her Stridhan which is given to her at the time of marriage. Right to ancestral property is also one of the most important right of a woman after divorce. If the property of his husband is not distributed among heirs, so she can't claim. But if the property has been distributed among heirs, so a woman can claim her right in her husband's. So these all are the rights which are available for women after divorce. Apart from this, there are also so many rights which is available for women, but these are one of the most important rights which a woman can claim after her divorce. Thank you so much guys for understanding this video. Please share and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and please hit the bell icon. Have a nice day.